1995 Honda Accord RX Coupe front bumper blinker. So there's a screw up in this hole right here. I think. Where is it?
Should be anyway.
Right there. Loosen that.
I would have thought you'd have had to go underneath the car to do it.
No, not really. That one's got some water in it. That ain't gonna do it.
Come on out of there, Mew. There it is.
You unplug this right here. Which came out just right.
Now these little old deals, oh, you just spread that out, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Plug it back in. Plug your new light in.
Won't plug in but one way, right?
It plugs in one way. Make sure it's in there. And then there is a gap right here.
Is that, where is it hook? Where is that hook? That hook?
It hooks right into the, there's a gap right here.
Oh, okay, okay.
So you slide it in there. Pop
Push
that
it
in. And then there's already a pre-installed screw.
And the screw stays in there.
Yes, sir.
Love a doggone.
And you tighten that screw back in.
I think you're missing the slot. You get it? Sounds like it's tightening. Tighten it up.
There we go.
That's it. You can't beat it. That's pretty easy there. One screw, undo it, and pop it out.
2-minute fix.
2-minute fix. You want to see if they work? Got flashers. There you go. Not bad. Those are good looking. All right.
1995 Honda Accord.
All right.
Bumper head blinkers.
All right.